Hello, welcome to BlissFUL Spaces. This is where I garden, cook healthy meals. In this video, I'll share tips on saving melon seeds, when to harvest, and how to preserve melon seeds, gardening know-how. Is there anything tastier than a juicy, ripe cantaloupe that you planted from seed in your backyard garden? Of course not. In this video, I'm sharing how I'm going to harvest my first cantaloupe, and I'm so glad that you tuned in, that you're joining me. So keep watching and I will show you. Yes, it's beautiful. My first cantaloupe harvest. A happily harvested melon. Now that you know how easy it is to harvest your cantaloupes, you can sit back, relax, and watch them mature. Have you ever grown, harvested, and enjoyed fresh cantaloupe from your garden? I'd love to know. Leave comments below. Give this video the biggest thumbs up. And come on with me. I'm going inside and I'm going to cut this bad boy up and enjoy it for breakfast. Keep watching all the way to the end. All those seeds. Don't forget to collect and save, dry out your seeds for the next growing season. So I just wanted to share this tip with you, and yes, this is how we ensure that we have seeds for our next growing season. Save those seeds. Last year we had a seed shortage. Oh my goodness, I wish you could smell that. That smells delicious. Breakfast straight from the garden. Don't forget to save those seeds so you can plant them next year in the garden. Tips for saving melon seeds from your cantaloupe. Every seed. Place all your seeds in a strainer and rinse them thoroughly with cold water to wash off all the pulp. And once you've done that, then you want to place the seeds on a dry paper towel, and you want to allow them to dry for at least a couple of days. I just let mine dry, completely dry, for 5 to 7 days before I seal them in a mason jar. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I had so much fun in my garden. Fresh cantaloupe for breakfast, or just because it makes a really good snack. As always, stay loving, be kind, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to give this video the biggest thumbs up. Comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Yes, you, the audience, my YouTube subscribers, my friends, my family. Thank you so much. Still watching? Thank you. Fall is abundant and satisfying season in the garden. I'm so excited. All of our hard work throughout the seasons has produced a wide variety of fruits and vegetables, and I'm so happy that I was able to share with you. Flowers, if you haven't had a chance, check out my last video, which was garden flowers. The cool nights are allowing cool season vegetables to flourish. At this point in the season, there are a few things left to do, and I just like to share some of the things that I've been doing. Yes, saving seeds. Seed saving is one of the things I look forward to most of all in the fall. Dry seeds are the easiest to save. These include things like beans, corn, mini flower seeds, and of course, our melons. They're so easy to dry. Seeds on a paper towel, and then I just let them air dry for 5 to 7 days. Thank you for harvesting with me and enjoy the cantaloupes, but don't forget to save some seeds. After that huge demand for seeds last spring, we as gardeners, yes, even you, if you're just starting to garden, we need to start planning ahead. And I know that I have. I have tons of seeds, and I hope you do too. It's easier than you think. Go ahead, save those seeds, and happy harvesting. I have a mason jar that's about an 8 ounce mason jar. So what I'll do is I'll go in and I'll take off the petals, and then I'll just separate the seeds from it, and then I'll add them to my mason jar. So you always have Xena seeds, or you always have seeds. There's no reason why, even if you've started with the store-bought plant. I prefer, because I do have an organic garden. I prefer organic, but I understand everybody, because of the pandemic, you're not able to plant organic. So even if you have a store-bought plant, this is from seed. This Tabasco plant is grown from seed. But if you don't have a seed supply, you can start it. If you went to Lowe's or Home Depot and you started and you got a starter plant, keep a couple of your seeds or a couple of your vegetables on your plant so that you can save your seeds. I have a bunch of pepper back there, and I will be harvesting those soon. But I just wanted to share what I do with these beautiful Xenas. They're so beautiful. I just save the seeds, and there is that butterfly. This is another video. I always have butterflies in my garden, floating around in my garden, as you can see from the back. It's just beautiful. Still have purple beans producing. But anyways, just wanted to share. There goes that butterfly. And the background air conditioning sound has kicked in. I apologize. It's actually even went up sat on my shoulder. Look at that. Anyways, just wanted to share some tips on how you can save the Xena seeds to grow. next spring.